Okay guys, we're gonna do an unboxing. I went shopping to San Antonio, went to a sunglass hut. I saw these really nice Dolces, but they didn't have them in the color I wanted, so I had to order them, and the order is here. And I'm gonna show you what I got. And it's these Dolces here. For you guys that were wanting to, if you like these, it's the ODG 6184 model number. And let's see how this case comes. This is the box that it comes in. And let's see here. Open this. This is the case that it comes with. This nice turquoise case. Let's open the case up here. And let's see here. And these are the glasses. They're your, standard glasses. These are not polarized because they do not come in polarized, but I like them so much I got them anyways. Let me take off these protective coatings for the sides. And it's got the Dolce Gabbana name on the sides. Really nice, really nice. Nice on both sides. And unlike your other sunglasses that you usually get that are made in China, these are made in Italy. They also come with nice little cleaning cloth. So if you get smudges or anything like that, you can clean them. And it comes with a nice little booklet. It's got like instructions if you don't know how to use your glasses.
No digas mamadas, Mary Jane.
Right? It also has the warranty information in 35 different languages. If you guys speak Chinese, Japanese, Italian, it's all in here. So, and remember, I got these at Sunglass Hut. So, let's try them on, see how they look. Right there. Nice little modeling gig here. And what I like is that you can wear them with anything. They're like either sport, casual, wear them to work, formal, and they go pretty much with anything. So if you are interested, guys, Sunglass Hut, either order them online, go to your local Sunglass Hut, or go to San Antonio like I did. Really nice glasses, very well made, Italian quality. And that's pretty much it, guys, for today. I will be getting some more unboxings, another set of glasses, technologically advanced glasses, and some other Italian glasses, but we'll leave that for the next one. So stay tuned for the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and we're out, guys. Stay tuned for the next videos. You're an idiot, winner. They're the bloopers, winner. Stay tuned for the next video. You're an idiot, winner.
Did you say stay tuned?
Yeah.
You're an idiot. Go.
Stay. You're an idiot, winner. You're an idiot. You're stupid.
I couldn't do my face, you idiot. You didn't let me. Look like,
You're turning
I look like
red.
a dumbass. I
You
went
look like a bee. Okay, guys. So really, winner.
Go.